Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see send friend requests on Facebook. So just tap on the Facebook application on your mobile device and just tap in the right bottom corner option is the menu. And if you have Android phone, so you will be just option is the top right of three lines. Just tap on it simply, and here is the interface of menu. So simply just tap on it friends as well, and this is the friend request pendings that I have been not approved, but I want to see that my send friend request where I can see. So we will for that I will just move in the see all option, and here you will see in the top right is a three dots option. I will just tap on it simply, and here is the option view send requests. So just tap on it as well. So in this way you will just have to see send friend request on Facebook. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.